Hi, it's Cindy with Body Fit Physical Therapy, and just want to talk to you a little bit about foot pain, arch pain, bottom of the foot pain, heel pain, otherwise known in some cases as plantar fasciitis. So if you're starting to feel some discomfort in your feet, especially with change of weather and we change our shoes, that can cause some discomfort. Quick, easy things that you can do: ball rolling on the bottom of the foot. You just take the ball, you could be sitting or standing, and then just kind of work that for a few minutes in all regions. Not pressing too terribly hard. You don't want to bring tears to your eyes. And then working that back and forth. After you're done working that back and forth, I do like to do the same thing, kind of rolling to the calf region. You can either use a foam roller like this, lying down and rolling out the calves on the roller, just like that, back and forth. So as you kind of go back and forth, you can get at some of that musculature that might be pulling down into the foot region as well if it's too tight. An easier version is to get something like this. You can always just go and stretch your own calf, roll your own calf here, back and forth. And then we can get into more calf stretching, going against an object here, leaning on that foot is back, heel is down, knee is straight, leaning forward, keeping the heel down, 30 seconds or so, do a few times of each side. Then bring the leg in, bend that back knee, keeping the heel down, stretch that out. And always remember, with any kind of foot pain, heel pain, might be footwear. You might want to look at what you're wearing. Maybe you do need more support. So always look at all the other reasons why you might be having some discomfort.